Known as the Paris of the East, Budapest is a city that skillfully combines culture, history, and dynamic modernity. This Hungarian capital, which is tucked away along the Danube River, is home to some of the most breathtaking buildings, historical landmarks, and soothing thermal springs in all of Europe. Budapest has attractions for all kinds of tourists, from well-known sites like the Parliament Building and Buda Castle to engaging cultural events like the House of Terror Museum and the distinctive ruin bars. The city never lets you down. Whether your goal is to discover its rich history, relax in its famed baths, or take a picturesque Danube cruise. Here's our recommended list of the best things to do in Budapest. Number 17. Book a Hungarian State Opera house tour. Offering guided tours that explore its rich history and design, the Hungarian State Opera House is a masterpiece of architecture finished in 1884. The auditorium's magnificent paintings, the grand staircase, and the elaborate chandeliers are just a few of the lavish interior features that guests can appreciate. The building's construction, its significance in Hungarian culture, and the performances that have taken place here are all covered in the tour. The Opera House presents a range of opera and ballet shows all year long for those who want to see a live performance. For fans of music and art, seeing a performance here is an unforgettable experience. Number 16. Book a Margaret Island tour. Visit Margaret Island, a serene park in the center of the Danube, to get away from the bustle of the city. Take a bike or pedal cart rental and explore the medieval ruins, gardens, and fountains. The island also has a tiny zoo and a musical fountain. It's a popular destination for both residents and visitors. On-site rentals are available and admission is free. By the way, please help our channel grow by clicking subscribe. Number 15. Building tour of the Hungarian Parliament. Discover the magnificent neo-Gothic architecture of the Hungarian Parliament building, which is one of the Budapest's most recognizable buildings. Tour with guides offer access to the lavish interior, which includes the Dome Hall and the Crown Jewels, as well as insights into Hungary's political past. Beautiful views of the Danube may also be seen from the building's riverbank location. Both history buffs and admirers of architecture should not miss it. Number 14. Discover Rudas Thermal Bath. Discover the famous Rudas Thermal Bath, which dates to the Ottoman Empire in the 16th century. There are trendy amenities like a rooftop hot tub with expansive city views. Because it's a unique experience, night bathing sessions are popular. Number 13. Evening Prosecco cruise on the Danube River. Take an evening Danube River cruise to see the lit skyline of Budapest. Take in the sights of the Parliament Building, the Chain Bridge, and the Buda Castle while sipping on an endless supply of Prosecco. For all weather circumstances, the cruise ship has both indoor and outdoor seating. The historical background of the sites is given by audio guides. Number 12. Explore the Central Market Hall. The Central Market Hall is the oldest and biggest indoor market in Budapest, with a lively atmosphere and a great selection of items. It is situated near the end of Váci Street. There are numerous vendors on the ground level offering fresh produce, dairy products, meats, and Hungarian delicacies like salami and paprika. Vendors selling traditional Hungarian attire, souvenirs, and handcrafted goods can be found on the upper floor. Local specialties like pickles and langos, fried flatbread topped with cheese and sour cream are available for visitors to try. It's a terrific spot to experience the local way of life and find one-of-a-kind souvenirs. Number 11. Explore the House of Terror Museum. Explore the fascist and communist history of Hungary by visiting the House of Terror Museum. Interactive displays, relics, and first-hand accounts are all part of the exhibits. The secret police headquarters used to be housed in the structure. It serves as a moving reminder of the tumultuous past of this country. It is perfect for anybody who wants to learn about European history in the 20th century. Number 10. Experience at the Gellert Thermal Bath. Enjoy Gellert Thermal Bath's Art Nouveau elegance, which is renowned for its stained glass windows and mosaic tiles. The bath provides several kinds of massage services, steam rooms, and thermal pools. Its calm setting is enhanced by its location at the base of Gellert Hill. It combines tranquility with stunning architecture. Number 9. Experience the Budapest Botanical Garden and Zoo. The Budapest Botanical Garden and Zoo, one of the oldest in the world, was founded in 1866 and is home to an extensive collection of animals and plants. The zoo has exquisitely designed gardens and more than 1,000 animal species, including rare and endangered ones. Visitors can take in interactive displays and visit themed pavilions like the Palm House and Elephant House. The extensive collection of plants from different areas and climates is on display in the Botanical Garden. Families and nature lovers looking for a leisurely day out will find it to be the perfect place. Number 8. Go to Matthias Church. See Matias Church, a magnificent example of Gothic design featuring a roof covered in vibrant tiles. The church has seen several royal ceremonies, including coronations. Admire the elaborate frescoes and altars inside. To get a broad perspective of the city, move up to the tower. Number 7. Indulge in Budapest Ruin Bar Crawl. Take part in a guided ruin bar crawl to experience Budapest's distinctive nightlife. These bars have unusual decor and are in former structures. Popular locations include Instant Fogas and Simpla Kurt. Skip the line admission and free refreshments are common features of guided tours. It's an enjoyable way to take in the bohemian vibe of the city. Number 6. Take a Dohan Street Synagogue tour. Discover the largest synagogue in Europe, the Dohan Street Synagogue, which features Moorish Revival architecture. The site consists of the Holocaust Memorial, a cemetery, and the Jewish Museum. You can learn more about Hungary's Jewish legacy through guided tours. The synagogue provides evidence of Budapest's thriving Jewish community. Number 5. Take a must-see attractions tour. Going on a tour of Budapest's must-see attractions is like walking through a living history, architecture, and culture book. Every destination throbs with centuries of rich history, from the neo-Gothic wonder of the Hungarian parliament to the majestic splendor of Buda Castle, which is poised high above the Danube. Explore the thermal charm of Széchenyi baths, cross the famous chain bridge, and take in Hero Square's melancholy beauty. The city displays its distinct fusion of dynamic modernism and regal elegance at every turn. A guided tour guarantees you visit the main attractions as well as the lesser-known spots that make Budapest a must-see masterpiece in and of itself, whether you're walking down the cobblestone lanes of the Castle District or watching the sunset from Fishermans Bastion. It's a great way for new visitors to get acquainted. Number 4. Széchenyi Thermal Bath. Unwind in the Széchenyi Thermal Bath, one of the biggest spa complexes in Europe, is well known for its therapeutic hot springs. There are many saunas, indoor and outdoor pools, and steam rooms inside the neo-Baroque building. Indulge in many kinds of spa services or just relax in the healing waters. For a hassle-free experience, many tours provide skip-the-line tickets. It's a great place to relax after a day of exploring. Number 3. Visit Fishermans Bastion. Discover the neo-Romanesque terrace known as Fishermans Bastion, which provides some of Budapest's best vistas. Its arches and fairy tale castles make for a charming photo backdrop. While entry to the bastion is free, there is a nominal cost for certain areas. It's particularly captivating around sunrise and sunset, a must-see for lovers and photographers. Number 2. Visit the St. Stevens Basilica. See the imposing church known as St. Stevens Basilica, which bears the name of the first monarch of Hungary. Admire its magnificent dome, exquisite interiors, and St. Stephen's preserved right hand. For expansive views of Budapest, hike or use the elevator to reach the panoramic terrace. It is the city's spiritual and aesthetic focal point. Number 1. Walking tour of the Buda Castle District. Take a guided walking tour of the Buda Castle District to learn more about Budapest's rich past. Discover important locations including Matias Church and Fisherman's Bastion, as well as cobblestone streets and historical structures. Experienced tour guides narrate stories about the city's history, including wartime incidents and royal intrigues. The neighborhood provides sweeping views of the Danube River and Pest Side. It's a trip through time and one of the most beautiful parts of Budapest. And that's our top picks for the best things to do in Budapest. Which country should we explore next for the list of the best things to do? Let us know in the comments below.